Hi everyone, we are going to start Cambridge International AS and A Level Pure Mathematics 1 paper for the section February-March 2024. The code is 9709 and this is a paper 1 with variant 2. Okay, let's move to the question number 1. Question number 1, find the exact value of integration from 3 to infinity for 2 over x square with respect to dx. So first we integrate 2 over x square can be written as x to the power of negative 2 with respect to dx limit from 3 to infinity. First we apply the integration. So 2 integration of x to the power of negative 2 is x to the power of negative 2 plus 1 over power which is negative 2 plus 1 and limit from 3 to infinity. So this one is equal to 2x to the power of negative 1 over negative 1 limit from 3 to infinity. And this one is equals to the negative 2 over x limit from 3 to infinity. Now apply the upper limit. So we can write it limit x tends to infinity, which is for negative 2 over x minus, now apply the lower limit, which is 2 over negative 2 over x means 3. So this one is equals to 0 because negative 2 over infinity is 0 minus negative 2 over 3. And this one is equals to 2 over 3. So the exact value of the given integration is 2 over 3.